Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can download Python modules. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to click here. Now guys, here you have to type pip, then install, then your module name, and you type here pillow. So the P will be capital. Now guys, it's downloading. So guys, it can take several minutes. So guys, I have already downloaded this pillow, so that's why it is showing this. So guys, like this you can download any modules in Python. So guys, now that's it for now. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be really helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related videos, then guys please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.